Here we are again in print layout view with exactly the same document as we've had before. We're going to look at another view now. We're going to look at outline view. This is a very, very powerful place to be, and it's very scary because when you come in here, a couple of things happen. Firstly, you see we've got down the side here? It tells you all your styles, the same as it was in draft view. When you turn it on in draft view, it'll also turn on here, so you can check that you've got everything. But it's got another advantage, this view. See the toolbar we have up the top here? Yeah, this will close it, obviously. But you can show different levels. Now, what about our top level? There's our part 1, part 2, part 3 conclusion. Now, if we knew this document, we knew it had 4 parts in it, then we'd know we'd missed one. But we know we've got 3. Show me level 2. It's too easy, isn't it? Show me level 3. We didn't have any level 3s, which is just as well. Show me level 2. There we go. Show text formatting just turns out off and on. Show first lines. We'll just dump it. We can do something else in this view that's very, very good. Let's say, for example, that this section here, extraterritorial matters, should come before external affairs. Now, if you were to cut and paste this in a big document, you know the drama. You've got to select it, you've got to find it, find it first. You've got to select it, you've got to cut it. As soon as you cut it, it disappears, your stomach turns over, you scroll to where you want it, you click where you want it, you hit enter, you put in paste. When you finish the paste, it goes to the end of the paste, so you've got to go back to the top and make sure it's all there. It's an absolute pain in the neck to do lots of text. What's between extraterritorial powers and international relations? All the text to do with extraterritorial powers. And if we come up here on this little blue button, it just says move it up. And what's happened now is that extraterritorial powers and all the text associated with it down to the next heading 2 level have all moved up. It's the same as cut and paste. Let me just take you back to print outline view. See? In part 3, all your extraterritorial matters have moved above your external affairs. Great view. Great view. Let's come back and look at it again. Outline view. Let's go and show level 1. Let's go and show level 2. You can also drag these. So, for example, if you wanted attorneys general's power above grants of power, you can drag to there. The other thing that you could do, for example, is let's say, for example, external affairs was part of extraterritorial matters. You can demote it, and it moves down to a heading 3. You can promote it, puts it back up here. You can promote it again, makes it a part. You can demote it. Up and down, up and down. It's called outline view because you can outline the content of your document. Very, very powerful.